IRWIN VISE-GRIP Adjustable Wrench Set Pro Touch Grips provide extra comfort and reduce hand fatigue. Machine jaws for maximum gripping strength. Durable chrome vanadium construction meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. Olympia Tools Adjustable Wrench Hardened and Tempered Drop Forged Alloy Steel. It's a much-needed tool for your vehicle and other minor/major fixes. It has adjustable jaws for easy access to small areas. Features widespread jaw size for a wide range of nuts and bolts fastenings. It can be used for plumbing, automotive repairs, vehicle maintenance and furniture assembling tasks. Durable and long-lasting tools help you with home, garage and industrial projects. With professional-grade quality, easily repair and fix issues with our tool cabinet essentials. Klein Tools D5076 Adjustable Wrench Extra Capacity Jaw Forged Drive Wrench with High Polish Chrome Finish 6/12-inch Country of Manufacture, Spain.